Hi there, Shrutesh is here, and I hope you are all doing well. So, we will see the new method to content generation, that is Google Alert. So, if you are working in the digital marketing field, so you need a lot of content related to your niches. Means, right? You want to write about something, some particular topic. So, before starting writing about these topics, you should know, you should want to generate a lot of information, you want to gather a lot of information, read a lot of information, so you can understand what the people are talking about, what the content is publishing on the internet, and then you can get the idea. So what is the ways we have to generate the content from the internet? You maybe go to the Google, you maybe go to the Quora, you may go to the Amazon or Flipkart reviews, or you may go to the Reddit. So you can search the particular topic there and get the relevant information. But I think this is the way that is too lengthy. We want to go there and find a particular information. But I will come up with the new way, that is Google Alerts. If you want to find the information about the relevant topic and just want to get it in your inbox, mailbox, so we find the relevant new information for our content generation, for SEO, for blogging, or for many of the things you can use it. Okay, so we will go through the Google Alerts and find how it can be used and how it can be advantageous to us. Okay, then here we will going to learn why Google Alerts are important. Okay, Google Alerts provide an updated information about new topics. As soon as the topic is published on the internet, you will receive the alert from Google site to your inbox with the updated information. You can get new content ideas using Google Alerts. Means if you need a content idea regarding any one thing, so you can able to generate it from Google Alerts. It gives opportunity to learn new searches. Means if you want to think about the new topic and you don't have the information and you need to get the updated information about that, what is the peoples are writing or creating content related to that topic, what is the researches are going to happen related to that topic, you can able to learn about the new searches through Google Alerts. It aware about the current relevant information, and then it gives an opportunity to receive regular updates from good quality newsletters. Means if you want to know the good quality newsletters, updated information, so you can access to Google Alerts and they will directly send this updated information in your mailbox. So how we can use it to grab the latest information regarding our topic, we will going to find out that, we will going to learn that in this video. Okay, so I am in Google and I have typed here the Google Alerts, and I have get the some results. Now the first link is google.co.in alerts. Google Alerts monitor the web for interesting new content. Okay, so I am going to click here. So make sure very first thing you will log in from your Gmail account. Okay, then here is the way, create an alert. Okay, I'm going to work on digital marketing, so I need alerts related to digital marketing. So I will type here digital marketing. Okay, huh. So here is an option, show option. Okay, how often? At most once a day. If you need a single alert in a day, so you can choose this option. Otherwise there is another options also. As it happens, as someone publish related content on internet, as it happens you will get the alert. Okay, oh, at most once a week, if you can choose this option, so I will take this option as it happens. Okay, then sources. Sources from automatic blog, news, web, video, books, discussion or finance. So I will select all these. Okay, so I'm going to select all these. Okay, then language. We need this content on English. Region, from which region you need, from India, Pakistan, UK. So you may able to search here the particular region, but I will keep it this any region. How many? Only best results. So only best results, all results. I will take this all results, and this is delivered to my inbox. Okay. So I am going to creating this alert. Okay. So I have created a alert related to digital marketing. Then I am going to create a new alert related to blogging. Create an alert, edit, limit reference, automatic note, launch, web, videos. Okay. Then English, any region, all regions, and I have upgraded that. So look at here, I am in my mailbox, and look at here, the Google Alerts is coming from these keywords, billing software. Okay, then blogging, then digital marketing. So we will going to find out here the topics. We will go here, and you will see who one is writing on web related to these topics. COVID-19 say 5 tips to keep your digital marketing out of quarantine. Digital marketing executive jobs in Ludhiana. Aditya Toward remote based digital marketing professional, 10 years experience. Right. These are the discussions are going on the internet related to digital marketing. So you can open it and find out the content, and if you liked it, so if you think this content is related to your topic, so you can grab it and then analyze it and then reuse it. So is the way to get the Google alerts. You can able to get the latest information, find out the content using the Google alerts. Okay. So this was the tutorial related to Google Alerts. Thanks for watching it and use it for your content generation. Okay. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned until next time.